The Untitled e-fat step folding electric bike is perfect for adults and anyone who wants an exciting ride for commuting and outdoor adventures. It has a very convenient folding bike frame and only needs small storage, so it is ideal for apartments or dormitories where space is tight. It has impressive performance for an electric folding bike. The Fat Tire electric bike has a 48-volt, 500-watt brushless DC motor sitting inside the rear wheel, sending torque directly to the ground for fast acceleration. It has a large motor for its size, so you will have no problems riding uphill or over bumps. The electric folding bike can travel an astounding 50 miles on the throttle, and more with pedal assist. This model has a 12.5 amp-hour capacity battery pack and can charge to full in just 4 to 6 hours. The Eunorau e-fat step folding electric bike features a thumb throttle and pedal assist. Choose the pedal assist to increase the bike range, or use the throttle to travel and speed up effortlessly. The bike also has a 7-speed Shimano transmission to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. The Eunorau e-fat step folding electric bike is a stylish folding bike, featuring a low step frame, fenders, and 20-inch black alloy rims and 4-inch Kenda Crusade Sport fat tires with K-Shield protection that makes it resistant to punctures. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.